be the worst of the two-seat bases, and it's pretty bad. I think if possibly I can make a repair section through here. It might be enough. This mesh is still in decent condition. Just this back rim here of the seat, that's all still good and solid. That should all clean up as well. It's alright. Still got some strength there too. So yeah, it's just this section through the back that's really quite thin. Number 2. It's a bit better. Had a bit of a break there, but that could just be a quick weld back together. It is still pretty thin. But I guess it's a question, is it too thin, or is it going to be enough? At this point, I'll start with some rust remover. See where we go. These bits don't look bad at all. Still got plenty of strength in them. So probably just a bit of metal prep and then some paint. So I've gone through all my potions and lotions to see what I've got. I've got the Kill Rust metal prep. I've got the KBS Rust Blast. I've got Deoxit. I've got Aluminium Blitz Cleaner. And then in the other side of things, I've got some KBS Rust Seal, paint over rust, permanently seals corrosion, which sounds pretty neat. However, it's probably gone off. I think it uses oxygen and sets with oxygen. I've also got the Kill Rust Epoxy Black Gloss Enamel, so if I clean the surface prior to painting that should give me a bit of protection as well. So I'm going to hook in and clean the first seat base. Let's see what we got. So, done a first pass with the Deoxit, which is basically, I guess, a phosphoric acid rust treatment, and we've got some conversion to black rust here, and then the rest of the surfaces are cleaned back to clean metal. So I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, and then I'll hose it off and then dry it out. So this one actually, where it is, it's probably good enough to just recover, because the metal all around is in reasonably good. This lip is pretty solid. There's enough strength in there, and if I give it a good coat of paint by brush, hopefully that'll seal it up a bit and stop it from getting rusty next time. This is the second seat base, and it's in considerably worse condition. It's corroded through in a number of spots. This back lip is pretty weak. So realistically speaking, I should make up a replacement piece for this. Ideally with this lip as well. So, make up a wooden hammer form, I suppose. Shape to suit, and then lay out some material and see what it looks like. I think this one will be fine. It is definitely thinner, but it's still got plenty of strength left in it. Wash it off and that'll be ready for a coat of paint and then some upholstery. Here we've got a cardboard template for the back of the seat base here. And I've copied that onto a piece of Jarrah. So I'm just about to cut that out with a jigsaw. So our fit's getting pretty close. I think we might be just about ready to tack it in. Partway through the rebuild, a little bit of brazing, bit of clean up, alright. That's the seat base, moving forward.